In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data in OpenOffice Calc. This useful skill will help you organize and analyze your data more effectively. Sorting enables you to view your information in a specific order, whether it's alphabetically, numerically, or by any other criteria that you define. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open OpenOffice Calc and launch the program, which is an excellent open-source alternative for handling your spreadsheet tasks. Once you have Calc open, go ahead and open the spreadsheet that contains the data you are keen to sort. Take a moment to ensure you have the right file, as you wouldn't want to sort the wrong data. Once you've confirmed you're in the correct spreadsheet, the next step is to select the range of data you wish to sort. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the cells. Make sure to highlight the entire section of your spreadsheet that you're focusing on. For instance, if you're working with a table of information that includes names, ages, and cities, you might select the range from cells A1 to C10. It's crucial to include the column headers like name, age, and city in your selection. Including these headers will make sorting your data much more intuitive and will help keep everything organized. Now that you've selected your data range, it's time to open the Sort tool. Navigate to the top menu bar where you'll find the Data option. Click on Data, then look for and select Sort. By doing this, you're opening a dialog box that will allow you to define exactly how you want to sort your data. In the dialog box that appears, you'll be given sorting options. You'll see a drop-down menu that says Sort By. Here, you can decide which column you want to use as the basis for your sort. For example, if you want to sort the table alphabetically by name, select Name. If, on the other hand, you're interested in sorting by age or city, you would select either age or city. Additionally, you need to specify the order of the sort. You have two options, ascending or descending. Ascending order means sorting from A to Z, or numerically from smallest to largest. Choose this if you want to see names from A to Z. The descending order is the reverse. It sorts from Z to A, or from the largest number to the smallest. Select this if you are looking for names from Z to A, or the largest numbers first. After you've chosen your sorting criteria and order, take a moment to review your choices, and when you're satisfied, go ahead and click OK. This step will apply your sort settings and rearrange your data as specified. And that's it! You have successfully sorted your data set in OpenOffice Calc. Give yourself a pat on the back for mastering this organizational skill. Sorting data can make a world of difference in how you interpret and use the information in your spreadsheets, allowing for more efficient data analysis.